Welcome, here I've got TCL 20L and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the grid option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me turn them on and let's move back to the camera. Here in the preview we have these lines that are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to the left corner settings, slide down to the general and tap to the grid button to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.